Hello student, today we are going to learn a motivational poem of Standard 6 English Balbharti Unit number 1 1.1 Don't Give Up. This poem is written by Phoebe Cary. Do you know who is Phoebe Cary? No? Let's see the brief information of the poetess Phoebe Cary. Here the image of the poetess Phoebe Cary. Now let's see the information about Phoebe Cary. Phoebe Cary was an American poetess and a champion of women's rights. In 1850, her poems were published in Poems and Parodies and Poems of Faith, Hope and Love. She was the best known for the musical quality in her poems. From the poem Don't Give Up, she conveys message us the importance of trying and trying again if we have lost in certain phases of life. So student, first I will recite the poem and explain stanza wise. So let's start the recite poem. 1.1 Don't give up. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All's that great and good is done just by patience trying. Though young birds is flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that broke her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the taste that tries you. By Phoebe Cary. Now we will proceed the first stanza. I'll read again the first stanza. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's good and great is done just by patience trying. In the first stanza, the poetess says that if you work hard and you fail that, we should not feel sad if we lose. Don't stop for crying, just try and try as long as we put in our best efforts, because trying and trying will get us to our goal one day. After that, the poet says all that's good and great is done just by patience trying. You just try patiently. If you try patiently, you will achieve your goal. You will achieve your success. In the first stanza, the poet says, try to us, try, but don't cry. Always try patiently. So student, always says, I did it, I want to do. How can I do? I am going to try, I can do it. If you says that I did it, you will definitely win. You definitely achieve your success. So student, don't say I can't, I don't. If you says that I don't, I can't, you can't do anything. So always says I did it. So student, believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you will achieve your success. In the first stanza, there are two new words are coming. First is give up. Here the meaning of give up means lose heart and stop crying. And another word is patience. Patience means to be calm and uncomplaining. Also, in the first stanza, the two rhyming pairs are come. The first rhyming pair is won and done. I highlight the rhyming pairs with a red color and green color. The first rhyming word is won and done, and the second rhyming word is crying and trying. So student, in the first stanza, the poet says that always try your best. And for that, the poet illustrates the examples from nature to explain her views in a second stanza and third stanza. Now, we will see the second stanza. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. In the second stanza, the poet gives us an example of young birds. Here you see the young birds, they try to fly. Also, she says that young birds in their initial stage of flight, the bird try to fly and the bird fall many times. While learning to fly, yet they don't give up. They try themselves. They keep at it until their wings are stronger and they can fly longer. So student, in the second stanza, the poet gives us the example of bird. The bird try themselves to fly in the initial stage of their, and they try till they keep up their wings are stronger and they can fly longer. Here the word stronger means physically powerful. Also in the second stanza, the rhyming pair is stronger and longer. Only one rhyming pair is come in this second stanza. I highlight it is in a red color, stronger and long. Now let's see the next stanza. Though the sturdy oak has known many a wind that bore her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. In the third stanza, the poet says about the oak tree. Here is the picture of oak tree. The oak tree is very stronger, and the poet says that the strong oak tree goes through a tough time during stormy wind, but after every blow, she rises again and stands taller and stronger after each storm. Though the sturdy oak has known, here sturdy means strong. Though the sturdy oak has known many a wind that bore her. Has known many blasts means the oak tree has survived many blows of stormy wind. She has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. After that, every blow she rises again and stands taller and stronger. Here, loftier means taller and stronger after each storm. And the oak tree feel prouder. In the third stanza, there are two rhyming pairs are coming. I highlight in a black color and green color. The first rhyming pair is known, grown, and second rhyming pair is her and. Now we will see the last stanza, the fourth stanza. I will read the fourth stanza. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the taste that tries you. In the last stanza, the poet says that our success and victories will not be valued so much if it comes to us easily. If we get anything easily, that is not important for us. But the poet tells us that the taste that really tries us, when we gain victory from our defeat, we will definitely happy, with joy us. And for that the poet says that gaining victory from defeat, that's the taste that tries you. In the last stanza, the one rhyming pair is coming. First rhyming pair is beat and defeat. Beat and defeat is the rhyming pair in the last stanza, and the new word is you beat. You beat means here the meaning of you beat means you win. So therefore the main theme of the poem is never lose our efforts no matter what our failures may be. From this poem, the poetess conveys the message to us that we must not give up hope, but try again with a positive thinking. Always we will think positively. It may take many years for us to be successful in our life. We may have to cross many barriers. We may lose and may lose hope, but we must try and try again, because hard work with a constant effort is the biggest key to success. So, student, always try your best. If you try your best, you will definitely win. So, student, hope you understood the poem. Thank you.